Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Khynnah don sub jongga Pearly do higher secondary school mentagas ngi ka khandai tarik unai wing arhajar arfulai kila Pynïap mat ya baro ki balawan mansaki ya ka school concert 2023 hagani gasngi lawan ban ya sakhi lang daki megi kpa jonggi Khynnah school ki nong hikai bat ki wei de nalor ki bala shakhot ngobha Hagani gasngi la sakhiru bagi Khynnah school ki badai naga class 1 but 2 kila ya shimenta haga do the twist kat bagi Khynnah class 3 but 4 kila ya shimenta haga Scottish dance. Kabala khring ya ki balawan ban sakhi syagani ka concert kadai ka drama ya kabala ai kerteng between two realms ya kaba lapen ishwa ya ka act 1 both part saka act 2 but kabakaddo kadai ka act 3. MLA ka 17 North Shillong uba Adalbert nongrum ulawan ban yashim ya kabenta kumu kongsan hagani ka concert jongga Pearly do higher secondary school.
Ishan, please try to understand that he still loves you both very much.
Don't talk to me like you care. You are not my mother. And my father, well, he's gone. He's dead to me. He wants nothing to do to us, and we want nothing to do to him.
Can we leave now? This is too much drama for one day. Let's get out of this forest and as far away from this unnatural lovebird as possible.
Where is he? Did you meet him? Did you talk to him?
He's gone. He knows everything now, but he's in trouble.
What do you mean?
He's with the clan.
You met with a clan?
No, his assistant, Ishan, is with her.
We have to save him.
It doesn't seem like he wants to be saved.
Hey! There you are! Why didn't you respond when I called your names, huh?
We couldn't believe that you would come all this way.
What's wrong with the two of you? Leaving your mother all alone! Come back home right now!
I'm
the
sorry.
both of you!
I'm sorry, May. I'm sorry. It's Papa. It was his idea.
Ram, how could you? Did she even get my birth from the Kubiran?
Yes, mate. But this is much bigger than you or me. Ishan is in big trouble. He has been taken by the clan to the other side. If we don't get him to the same limb, he may even die. Can't you see that Ishan needs our help?
Who? I don't know these people and I don't care! Guys,
I know what to do. Don't you dare pretend to help him now, you traitor. I'm not pretending. If he dies, it's all on me. I don't want to carry that guilt. This has to end here. I've waited too many years to stand up for myself. Enough is enough. Let the clan do whatever he will. I'm no longer a servant of his. Hey, guys. I think Ishan is not breathing. Ishan, I think he's dead. You, come with me. There's only one way to keep him from dying. You still have the fish, right?
Yes, but I will have to summon him again.
Just do it. If Ishan dies, then the clan will go after your family. What do you need?
Some water.
Use the river. Come.
There. It is done. Let him rest a while. He is no longer in danger of the clan.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
You don't have to call me that. I would have done this for anyone who needs my help. We must not forget that there are always dark forces that try to disturb the balance that we maintain between our world and the next. It is my job to oppose that institution.
Madam Bongbari Kharsati, who we feel that we should not forget. It is her hard work, committed as a founder of this beloved school. As a school, it could be able to stand as it is because of her. Member of the managing committee what also render a big contribution towards the betterment of the school. I would like to thank, once again, I'll take the golden opportunity to thank you one and all, as well the constituency as a whole, who had given me a second chance to re-elect in this last election, which I will hold my promise not to compromise my chair with the future, with the betterment of the future generation. As students, you stand at the forefront of this information, of this transformation. It is your generation that will mold and shape the future of these dual realities. It is of utmost importance to bridge the gap between the two realms, while the virtual world can be a tool for progress and advancement.